Mistake. Try to run fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could watch the nights, I tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in, find someone who believes in everything you do. Starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold to. When the lights go out, you're lost somehow.
Hey, what's good, guys? Okay. Okay, guys. Just came back from work. Let's hide the executions first. بس بلاش. Second best. Guys, I'm sorry, been late. But let's do it fast forward now. Just took you through what was going through my mind here. While respecting this daily CPI, as you can see, we're still holding bearish price action, bearish order flow. After sweeping sell side, we're still looking at potential bearish order flow. Look at a potential market maker sell model here. Continuation on the looking at a potential market maker sell model as well on the 4-hour time frame. Do we have an SMT up here? Yeah, we do, I believe. Yeah, and we have an SMT here with this high. And we do have SMTs, yeah. Yep. If we manage to close below this NOG, that will mean we are going to this low. That's our last stage of delivery. And you can see the bearish order flow as well in price here, respecting these CPIs. Pushing price lower again from these CPIs towards the devil's mark and relative equal lows down here on the hourly chart. So if we get a chance to sell today, that would be perfect. I think a chance to sell is amazing. Just want to see something. We got an SMT here, by the way, right now. There's SMT here is this launch low. But if we get a chance to sell long term, that would be amazing towards this devil's mark and these lows. That would be potentially the ultimate target for sells. But for longs, but like intraday, I want to see these longs first. Why that? Because I want to see longs here because we have this strong continuation cause. This high is just falling short of this NDOG, and this NDOG is lacking buy side delivery. It has only sell side delivery. So I want to see price come back to this NDOG, and then potentially we can see the market fall lower from there. But right now, what I want to see is a retracement up into here, following this consolidation profiles we have been seeing. I want to see price pull back again higher. Let's take a look at the opens and how is the daily open. Perfect. We got the 15-minute open so far, open low. Where's the daily? And the daily has been an open low so far. Let's check this already. Okay. Midnight open, below midnight open, below 930. There's RTH gap doing. We got an RTH gap above as well. Okay, so it makes sense for us to take a long here. We're below all opens. Okay, we have a 15-minute open low as well, sweeping Asia low, followed by an SMT. What I want to see is price come back here during the macro, come back lower, take out this sell side once more, because this sell side is right above NDOG here. So I'll be waiting for this sell side to get taken first, and after the sell side is taken, I will look for long potential setup. So that's what I'm looking for now. Let's push this offset a little bit. 30. Can you please? Okay. That's what we're looking for, guys. One more push lower during the macro, and then potential continuation higher. If they form a low here, I will take a continuation setup here during 1050 macro. But I'll be waiting to see during this macro a potential move lower once more. Then we can take a long up to these highs here, here, and ultimately this high there. Okay. We got an RTH gap to fill as well above us, guys. RTH gap CE, that's falling below the RTH gap CE as well. This is all in the RTH. So we still have room to go up there. Just waiting to see this scenario here. ICT video rendering. Did he take a short? I believe. Short. Yeah. So he shorted the market here at the open from RTH gap quadrant. Possibly. Yeah. That was a great short from ICT there. Low above midnight open. Short to Asia low. Yeah. Market maker sell model completed here. I like this song. Let's push this indicator to 5 and NDOGs as well. Let's see if there's anything relevant to price here. Okay, there's an NDOG there, it's a tiny one. Okay, nothing is relevant to price, so just take it off. There we go.
Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Looking at ICT's trade, man. This trade is so beautiful, I love it.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost,
I don't know what was he measuring there.
but you don't care. Yeah,
296.
keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over.
find what was he measuring there. So was he just measuring from AG low to this low there? What's this measuring? Let's put an ICT straight here on the screen, guys. What's this type of measuring? Like he's just measuring the low to the target. Sounds get respected. I need to screenshot this. Let's download this. I need to take a look at it later on. Bro. We got 5 minutes Civi here. How's the 4-hour closure, guys? The 4-hour is closed bearish here. We inverse this Civi. We are heading towards the devil's mark here on the hourly. Respecting bearish order flow. Yeah, I've been saying that we're bearish, but I don't like this high here. So intraday I still think we can go higher. I just want to see signs of reversal there. If we inverse this 3 minute, along with the 1 minute, could look for an entry. Okay, I'm in the trade here. That's my entrance of these. Here guys, we're in this trade here as I explained. We're bearish on the hard time frame, but I'm looking for the short-term highs here to be taken. Intraday high and this highs to be taken for the intraday, and then maybe we can flip lower again. But I'm looking for a bullish reaction higher as we explained. Nice, I really like this trade here. Breakaway gap here. This is a euro inversion as well. Nice, we're gonna get TP here, most likely. It's an easy trade here. He has got relative equal highs up here, guys. I think we'll still go higher. It's relative equal highs. Yes. So it's a nice trade, don't think you like it. Potential breakaway gap here should remain open, or no closures inside.
got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out, yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I gotta keep you?
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
Take off this position here, this is demo position. Just gonna wait for the 1-to-1 here. About to hit 1-to-1. Here we go. Coming cube umpire. Made relatively equal highs here. Still waiting here. Nothing much has happened. I don't think anybody's in the stream as well, that's why I'm not speaking. But we took action on the plan regardless, and I'm very proud of myself today for being able to do what I do and what I did today. Managing myself and my emotions. It's very important, and been able to take trades consistently following my model. Haven't gone out of my model for a long while now. Been sticking to 1-to-1 trades. Been planning out my trades and executing my trades. It has been a very nice ride. Still have engineered highs above us, which is making me confident that NQ is still gonna make another run higher up there. The light is too strong on one side and it's weak on the other side, but okay, any longer is a break by gap. I'm gonna look at the equilibrium here. Still have relative equal highs up there. It's not moving at all. It's just sideways. Looks like we'll lose here. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Music again. So we got stopped here, guys. Let's journal this trade as well. I'm on 3 losses in a row. Next one technically should be a win based on my data. But let's see. Need to journal this trade. Was 950 macro. Summer time. Good morning, bro. حبيبي أخويا. I just took this loss here. I'm journaling it and we'll focus on the next macro. Maybe we can get a nice trade next macro. Make clean shorts. Many points? How many points? 1.50. Draw down or stop. تتعوض اخوان ان شاء الله. عادي عادي مفيش اي مشاكل. كده كده ماشي بالسيستم فاهم. As long as I'm following my system, there's nothing to worry about. Let's take screenshots of this trade. Yeah, we got relative equal highs up here. 1050 macro, we can take a potential long here. I don't know how I can hide these extensions, man. They look ugly. Let's play some chess here. This looks a very nice. If he eats, I eat, and then he eats, then I eat. There we go. If he moves, I take. Easy. It's okay, we can win this game. I can see us winning. And go check here. Should I do something risky? No need to risk. I was thinking that I can go push this pawn, then he will eat with this pawn. D4. Which do? Queen? Yeah, that actually makes sense, bro. We can push it. Yeah, I actually check him there. Very nice, bro. I go there. Yeah, that's very, very nice. I didn't see that. Very nice. If we move the knight here, we'll strengthen this position as well. Okay. Think I go eat now, right? We should eat. Should take his bishop. Yeah, right? H, yeah. Okay, let's go for it. And then we can go from here. Nice, nice, nice. Check. Can move there, yeah. He can only move his king there, okay? then, yep, there we go. I can check him here. The thing is, if I push my queen here, he'll just eat. Then I can eat his queen and he can eat my bishop. He's asking for my bishop here as well. Let me think, let me think, let me think. No, right? Yeah, it will be a waste. Kill the pawn. Yeah, but he will take my... No, no, no. If I take the pawn here or here, he will take my bishop. My queen is protecting the bishop now. You know what I can do? I can push this. Don't play queen. Yeah, I understand what you mean, but if I take this pawn, he will push with his rook to my bishop. Maybe I can protect my bishop, okay? And then we can clear out the pawns first. Yeah. I think that's why it's just protecting there. Really? No, no, no. He can. If I go there, he can check, and then he can. Oh, right, 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 right. I didn't see this. My bad, bro. My bad. Yeah. Oh, my bad. But wait. How the game did it end, bro? Think because he can move here. He'll move his rook to protect his king. Then I can push my knight. He will go for my knight. I can take. And then it's checkmate. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I can take his queen as well. Yeah, I'll just go for his queen then. Come over here. Checkmate. There. Nice. So it's here. He'll move there. Checkmate. Let's go. Okay, at least we won a chess game today, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Yo! Okay, that was fun, man. That was fun. Okay. Let's try to get a winning trade. Hey, that was nice, man. Okay. 4 minutes till the macro here. SMT is gone now. Let me pay attention again. Go on SMT here. Was this busy? So power falling short of a devil's mark. Got relative equal highs above here. The thing is, my bias, let's lower the music here. Okay, I'll finish chess. So the thing is, my bias is bearish with the hard time frame. But I don't see reasons for continuing lower now. Your order flow supporting lower prices. This high here needs to be taken. I don't trust it at all. This low as well is not very strong above this devil's mark, but I think it's a protected low for now. I'd rather go for longs here than shorts if the 5-minute and the 15-minute confirms this. Let's see if we get this closure above this inversion. Yeah. If they still show bearish order flow, we will look for shorts next macro in equilibrium in premium here. Shorts towards this low and devil's mark here. You got relative equal lows, but they're way down. But potentially you could take shorts there. Devil's mark is right there. And CE as well. Let's just wait for this 5-minute closure. Gold short, nice. Take a look at this. Nice, bro. Nice relative equal lows there. Above Endog. Okay, that's a clean short. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, also in premium here. Nice short, bro. It's just before the macro, and I don't really like trades before the macro, but it's a very nice short, man. Hope you in, bro. Damn, look at this bearish order flow. It's very strong. I told you, like shorts. Okay, nice. Gold has taken their relatively lows. NQ is showing strong bearish order flow as well, but leaving relative equal highs up here. Think I'll still look for long on NQ. What's this macro here? It's a long for me. With them leaving these highs, I can't really take a short. I can't go short when there's relative equal highs and there's a potential long setup, so I'll wait. I just need to see this 5-minute confirm it. We need to see 5-minute and 3-minute confirm this idea for longs. Let's receive this low maybe, and then we get that. Or if we get this, get this. Let's see. Nice, bro. Let me take a look at that. Nice, yeah. Relative equal lows on gold here, above the end dog as well. This level on gold must be taken here, man. This level here. Classic sell day as well, template. I like it, man. Gold sells are A+, man. Well done. Yeah, NQ will be crazy. Because you got relative equal highs here, and this high as well. But we gotta wait. Keep slipping down on the chair.
First thing that's vague is how he defines the zone break. In this video here, he says that the day's trade direction is defined by which side of the zone price is on at 9:30.
Yeah, the latest video drop, bro, is very nice. I really like it. Really like it, man. It's an amazing video. I didn't know about it, to be honest. I always used the normal like replay technique, but I never tried what I've said in the video. It's crazy, man. I didn't know that you can actually print candles like this on TradingView as well. I always thought it's gonna be laggy, you know, that way. SJ Gold. Nice. Yeah, bro. You do know it, man. You do know it. I know that you're very good, bro. Yeah, of course. Because trading, like, trying to be a trading editor requires you to understand trading as well. So that's very nice, man. 100%, bro. I've been thinking about it as well. Like, if you want to become an editor, you actually need to understand. Because I was thinking if I'm gonna get it, if I'm gonna get an editor to edit my videos in the future, it will require him to understand trading as well. So 100%, bro. No, man, like, you deserve it, bro. You've been a great hustler, bro. You deserve all the blessings from God, bro. Thank you for showing up to my streams, man. I know they were empty. No, bro, like, it was just directions I gave you and you followed it. You got all the flowers, man, not me. You're a great trader and a great person as well. You work very hard and you go all in. You don't just half-ass it. No, you go all in whatever you do, and you deserve to win, man. That's what you get when you push this hard, man. Still waiting on trade. Thank you, bro. Thanks so much, man. Don't worry, bro. We're here for this pressure, man. We're built tough, bro. We're built different. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, man. Man, this means a lot, bro. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Love you, man. No, no trades yet. To be honest, at this point, I prefer NQ running up higher, but I don't think we have enough time. But I would like NQ run higher first and then give us a short. But I don't think we have enough time here. With this volume, we don't have enough time. Like, this is a mess here. Just gotta be patient. I'm trying to take my focus away so I don't put my focus in the wrong place. Because in trading, mainly you want to put your focus at the right time on trading and just control your focus away from your trading when it's the wrong time. Basically right now for me it's the wrong time because I don't see my model. Model isn't present. I'm still waiting for the low to get taken, or either they push it higher and I get a short. Other than that, I'm not taking any trade in here. So this area is a no trade zone for me. So my focus is now is just avoiding this no trade zone. That's my focus. So holding my phone or anything isn't actually a bad habit because I just use it to prevent myself from doing any mistakes on the charts. Yeah, just trying to focus here on the right time and when the price is offering me my model. Okay, I got this 3-minute inversion here, possible inversion as well on the 5-minute. I'll wait on the 5-minute. Looks clean. Oh my god, look at the 2-minute as well. There. Okay, I think it will be a great long here. Nice. Gold is about to go to the level we spoke about here. Gold is pushing lower. Hope it continues for you, Tamu. I wanna see you win, man. Yeah, gold is looking amazing, man. Honestly, I'm fasting, so I can't get a coffee in while trading. That's why I'm sleepy. I'm really a coffee guy. Here goes. If it doesn't give us a trade until 11:20, we'll be calling it a day here. It's a mess so far. Not a big fan of it. Oh, let's go. Let's go, man. Gold is at TP. Nice, well done. Just taking these lows. Great, great, great. Great trade, man. Well done, brother. Well done for real. Well done, bro. Nice. That was a very nice short on gold. Love that you took that, man. Amazing. NQ is melting as well. Let's see if we can get this long here. Finally, please. Nice, congratulations, bro. Amazing short, man. I love it. I love that you took this gold trade. Because I don't trade gold personally, but I love that you took it, man. Great. Let's see what do we get on NQ. Gonna need to wait this 2 minute here to inverse in price. I think we could take this aggressive entry there as a lost trade of the day. Okay, I'm in it. Let's see. Reevaluate as well. Blow this open here. Nice, nice, nice. The main key is this relative equal highs up here. Okay. I don't like this relative equal highs. For shorts, they must take out this relative equal highs first, and then probably you'll see continuation shorts. So what I want to see from the market is pushing higher and then flipping this inversion as well, then giving us these relative equal highs. But I'll be getting out at a 1-to-1 here, as you always know. Thank you, bro. Don't worry, bro. I'm just following my system. I'm not worried. I'm not in a hurry to get a win. If I get stopped, I get stopped. It's never a big deal for me. Let's wait and see. Let's set an alert here. Let's put on some music. Okay. I might get stopped here with this change in state. Let's see. It is what it is if we get stopped. جربها في الستريمنج اكيد. اجربها يا باشا. I'm trying just copyright free music from NCS. It's a famous YouTube channel. No, this indicator is paid. I have the link in the description, I believe. No, the link is not. The link is not in the description. Okay, I'll post the link here. That's the indicator I use. I don't have an affiliate code with them or anything, but this is the indicator I'm using. If you wanna have it, just buy it as well. It's a great indicator. It helps a lot with reading price. I don't have any affiliation or anything towards this indicator, but it has improved my trading a lot. Like you must buy it if you can. خلاص ماشي يا اخويا، نخلص الستريم كده وبعد الفطار بإذن الله وريني الدنيا. انا معاك يعني. Okay, there we go. Price is running hard. Come on, hit TP, man. Q and Q and Q. Thank you, Zapot, hit TP. Yeah, bro. Allah Nasdaq. Okay, it's a few points away from TP. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Finally, man, TP hit. So, yeah, guys, that was basically it. We took a loser and a winner today. It's a break-even day. Did great today. I'm very proud of my execution, very proud of myself for following my system and following my process. I told you like the next one should be a winner based on my data that I have, because my max consecutive losses is 3. So yeah, that was a great trade. Doesn't want to stop recording for some reason. Okay, let's journal this trade as well together, and then I will call it a day here. Where was the other long? I think here, yeah. Okay. شكرا اخويا حبيبي. شكرا والله انك بتفتح كل يوم الاستريم اخويا والله. Tamo is a real one. He's in the stream every day. And I can't thank him enough for being here, man. Supporting me through my journey. Let's join this trade. What day was this? Thursday? What day? Oh my god. I need to eat, man. I've been fasting for so long now. That was a long trade out of a macro inversion. Okay, the stop loss will swing low. Our time frame was bearish. Key reference point here, where is this? Okay. Wanna try something together here, guys. Wanted to see the end. 8 levels. Yes. Okay. Offers 1.3 RR. Great stream. Can you run through the trade a day before the end of the stream? Of course, man. Of course. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you, Tamo, man. Thank you for your support. It's insane, bro. Thank you so much, really, man. You're my brother, man. SMT. Okay, SMT with Devil's Mark. SMT, and it was R25. Let's go on the drone liquidity. Drone liquidity here. Engineer buy side. The RTH gap. Level equal highs. Manipulation liquidity. Opening range low. And low of day as well. Opened at 11:15. Okay, 11. Close this trade at 11:27. I think that was 12 minutes. Pip amount captured 35.5. If lost missed. Journal this quickly, guys. What made you wait for the trade? I'm taking screenshots now. Just so we can run the data on this specific trade. Okay, let's go through this trade idea here. So basically, I wanted longs all day. The reason behind this isn't the hard time frame order flows. Hard time frame order flow, of course, is bearish. Why is it bearish? If you look here on the 4 hour, in the beginning of the day, we saw SMT that formed yesterday, and we are seeing that 4 hour is respecting this CPI, okay, and also this 4 hour closure is below this CPI, making an inversion here, making the hard time frame bearish towards this devil's mark and relative equal lows here. But my reason for longing the market was this high there. This high was just short of this end dog, and it was relative equal highs right here as well. So if we want to go lower there, you must go higher first, because you can't leave these behind here. Okay, you must go towards one of them. So in the first position, we go stopped out, trying to long up to these relative equal highs and this relative equal high. And also adding on that is this RTH gap. Look at this RTH gap, guys. Okay, it's a big RTH gap that's wide open. It's left up here, which is confirming my draw as well higher to all of these highs. So, and look at this candle. It's just random here, but look at this. Highs as well formed here before the macro. Right there. Gave me the idea to long again towards this high. So what I did basically is I waited for the macro to open, and macro opened. I waited all of this time. All of this time I've been waited for the macro to open. And after the macro opened, I waited for it to sweep sell side liquidity here, manipulate below macro opening price. That's what I did. And we had this inversion here, and I entered on the inversion. That's it. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Just following the draw on price while we are in discount relative to this dealing range. We are in discount here. Okay, and we are inside this NWOG we're inside this NWOG, okay, and we have a clear continuation close higher, which is these highs. So that gave me confidence to take a reversal trade along with the SMT to give me confidence to long towards these highs. And I still believe these highs will get I got out at 1-to-1 doesn't mean that it will stop here. I just got out there because it's my system now for managing trades. I get out at 1-to-1s So that was it basically. But the trade will still go higher till this highs. I really believe this, but it was a very nice trade. Otherwise, I'm out of the trade and we're done here. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for showing up, Tamu. Thank you on a big video. I don't know, bro. I don't know how to read this name. But thank you, 5277, man. Thank you so much for showing up as well. Thank you, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we got a great stream to end the week. We're gonna end the week strong, and let's see how it goes, guys. Any more questions before I call it a day? Any more questions, guys? Okay, we'll just end the stream here. Thank you so much, guys.